Assalamu alaikum. I hope so you're all fine. If you are new on my channel, just go and subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon. Okay, now I'm going to discuss how to download Python app. Go to the Google and write here python.org. Go and click downloads and here's the latest version for Windows. Uh, just click on that and download this. Now this version is download. If I already download this, so go to the three dots and click on the downloads. And here we go. Python 3.10.5 is downloaded already. You have to download this, so you have to click this and then click on the show in the folder, and here we go, python.3.x setup. Click on this and just wait for a minute. Upgrade now and customize. Okay, upgrade. Now it's going to be finished. It's finished and close it right here. Ideally 3.10, and like look, this is running. This is the shell of 3.10.5 Python app, and so you like my content. Go and click on the like button if you like it, and also subscribe my channel for further update. Thank you for coming. Allah Hafiz.